everyone, I'm Sushma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have arrived at this very beautiful location called as Gold Coins Club and Resort, which is located in the outskirts of Bengaluru, which is very near to Electronic City Phase 2. So yeah, if you're staying in Bengaluru and you don't want to travel to a very far off place but still have a very good getaway in the middle of nature and kind of have this relaxation with your friends or family members, you can check out this amazing property. Right now I'm in this parking area, as you can see, and I can spot some horse here. Actually, before making this video, I've already had a small glimpse of the property and it's amazing. So I thought I have to go and film right now the video. Let me show you the horse first. Can you spot one there? And here one, and there one. So yeah, not very far from Bengaluru, and already I feel like I'm into the nature. So talking about all the COVID protocols, I'm visiting after the second wave, that is in the October 2021. All the rooms are sanitized and I've been seeing all the staffs are wearing masks here. I've just removed it for the video purpose. So talking about my stay, I have booked my stay here just for a day, and the check-in and check-out time is like around 12 PM in the afternoon for both the days, and there are very good options for the stay as well. There are I think 3 stay options. They also have various options, the pricing options based on whether you are opting for the food here or you are going out. Also, this place is not very far off from the city, and I think within like 5 kilometer radius you have lot of hotels and restaurants that's being available if you are opting for the food outside this property. Or else they even have the buffet options on weekends and a la carte. And yeah, I'll tell you about my booking. I have booked the camping tent for a day with 2 complimentary meals. So yeah, here comes the property tour. It's a very beautiful property, very nice, lot of activities. I just took a small walk around this property and it's huge. To what you have seen on the website or the Google photos, yeah, I didn't think it was this huge, and that too in the city, like not very far off. It's a good getaway. And I saw on their website like this whole property is extended up to like 10 acres. So yeah, let's go and start looking at the property. From the first look you can tell it's very well maintained, and the staff here is very friendly and welcoming. Now I'm entering into the reception area. This is the reception area where you collect your keys and make any booking arrangements. And as you can see, look at this. The ambience right from you enter is amazing. And there's one bonus tip I'll give you, that is you will get free Wi-Fi here only in the reception area. So if you have any office meetings to attend which takes a lot of data, or any movie to download, then you can do it here, then go and watch it peacefully in your room. So this place is basically where you can have a small staycation, you can host the weddings, events. They have a lot of options for it. Also, this place is pet friendly, so you can get your pets and choose the stay accordingly, which will allow your pets. So yeah, you can have a very great time with your family, not missing anyone, not even your pets. A lot of swans, I suppose. I think they're called swans, not ducks. Look at these swans. I've been taking more videos of them than actually filming the video myself. It's a proper getaway from all the hustle bustle that is happening in your work life, everything. It's a great stay, considering like how near it is to the city and how affordable it is, and a lot of options that they're offering, be it in activities or be it in the events that you can host here, and the number of stay options that they are giving for different price and very flexible options of the meals. There is a lot of things that this place offers. Once you enter, this is the lawn area where you can see there's a lot of seating arrangements. For this side opens up to an area where you can host your events. This is the kids play area that you can see here. So right now during my visit, I think there was an event that was being planned. There was a birthday being planned. So how the parties are hosted here, and I think this property can hold I think anywhere nearing 1,000 guests. When I arrived, there were a few families and there was a party being hosted. So this property accommodated all of it. So right next to the stage you have these kind of rooms, camping huts. So that is where I have booked my stay right now, and I'll check into the place. I'll show you around, in and around the room, and yeah, so the plan is to completely sink into this property for a day. I thoroughly enjoyed my stay in camping tents, but the only downside is the washrooms are not attached, and for washrooms you have to walk a little, so it will be a problem in case you have to go to washroom at night time. So that is one thing. I get their idea to do this in order to cater various events, be it weddings, day out, stay, etc. Okay. I'm going to jump into the pool right now, and it is so sunny. So I stayed in this room. It's called the camping tents, and I have done a little bit of footages are there here and there of the field, because I was totally mesmerized by the glass rooftop, because you could see the trees, the leaf rustling, and sometimes the cat would come and walk on top of it. And I had my breakfast. It was a buffet and it was quite fulfilling. They had quite an options and I'll include the footage. For yesterday, being the day one, I didn't film much, and I have quite a few footages of the glass rooftop, and I was praying for it to rain because the feel of rain falling on top of the roof, it's amazing. So it was quite sunny when I arrived yesterday afternoon. So yeah, after we checked in, then yeah, there was quite an issue with the room, which I called for the room help and they quickly fixed it. So that's a great plus point. The services are very nice. I just want to provide all the information in this video if you want to know anything and everything about this property. So I've asked them for the permission to take footages of different stay options. Now I'm staying in the camping tent and I have footages of it, but then I won't provide the footages of the aqua rooms and the deluxe rooms as well, so that you get an overview and you can plan your stay as well. And I have dressed in this very cute outfit to get some Instagram worthy photos. And yeah, so now our checkout is around 7 PM, and also during my visit there were a lot of families, so it was quite busy. It was crowdy, and I visited on weekends, that is Saturday, and today is Sunday, and there was a birthday event that was hosted yesterday. So this place is quite happening. I think if you come on weekends, you can have that isolated, very kind of calm kind of stay here. I just can't wait to see all the properties for myself and then explain to you guys as well. Yeah, so stay tuned. So this is the aqua room. You can see there's a glass rooftop and the water is flowing right now. So these are the washrooms for the aqua rooms. So right now, if you are staying in the 33 number aqua room, you will be given a card that only you can use for this particular washroom. Like that, you have so many washrooms that you can use it independently. Look at this, and even there's a water that's flowing overhead here. Right now I'll be taking you to the most premium stay option that they have, and it's called the suite rooms. It is almost like a tree house. Come, I'll take you along with me. You have to climb the staircase for it. And believe me, the stay is amazing. So, as soon as you come up the stairs, you have this whole space for yourself. Look at this, you have the balcony, you have the view from here. Come on in. Look at this. Oh my god, it's such a massive stay option. This is called as a suite room. You can see they have television, refrigerator. There's cupboards, there is spacious bedroom. Look at the seating arrangements. And the ceilings are pretty high. I have a bathtub. I can see a jacuzzi kind of a setup in there. It's very nice. The lighting, the ambience, everything is so nice. Had a great time. Now it's almost time to check out. Let's check out together. Checking out right now, everything is packed, and see, as you can see, there's one more birthday party that's been hosted right here. And from this day one of booking, I've been in contact with a staff member called Praveen. He's been really helpful in making me understand about different stay options, and he was very considerate in also extending our time, knowing that I'm covering their property and vlogging it. So it was very kind of him. Let's meet him and get some exclusive information about this property. so it will be helpful for other people who are visiting the very next time, be it different events, the corporate events, or your place or personal events, or any of such events. You can contact this property and plan it accordingly. Now that you all have accompanied me with my stay, now it's time to know more about the space from Mr. Praveen. This is Mr. Praveen, staff member of Gold Coin Club and Resort. Yeah, now Praveen, we are all looking forward to some exclusive information. So starting from, what do you think that Gold Coin Club and Resort exclusively has something more to offer to the visitors?
So the main objective what we follow at our resort is fun, food and fitness. So these three are major motives for our resort. So we make sure whoever comes in thoroughly enjoys the food what we offer. And the fun part, we have recreational gaming facilities. So one gets unlimited access to use all the facilities what we have, regardless of any kind of booking. Whether a person comes in for a day out, whether a person comes in for a stay, he gets access to use all the facilities. And as well as the fitness part. The fitness part is something, we have spaces, open spaces and lawn areas where one can do the yoga, and as well as so as our resort itself is eco-friendly, nature-friendly. It's each and every aspect what we have developed in our resort is very close to the nature. So in a way, our resort coexists with the nature. So everything you get to see in our resort, it's all derived out of nature, and it's a breathing land space. Though especially for the urban dwellers, those who go through busy lifestyle, those who go through lifestyle. So for them, if they visit us and if they consider our resort, it will be a refreshing change for them. They can have their recreation and they can have relaxation and rejuvenation.
Mentioned in our previous talk that even you handle some of the corporate events as well. So just tell me more about it.
Corporate teams and corporate companies, they look out for open spaces and the big lawn areas. And our resort is tailor-made. So in terms of these requirements, we have multiple lawn areas and the open spaces which would suit for a team to hold the activities, team building activities, any kind of group activities. And also can conduct a conference in open spaces as well. So most of the corporate companies would always think of the property with close to the nature, and as well as with property with a lot of open space. So we have that exactly as per the requirement. Yeah. And the corporate events, so it can be conferences, it can be exhibitions, so it can be incentives, and it can be, so these are some of the activities we have. So we got all the amenities and facilities to cater their needs and to hold those events, to host those events.
Regarding the food, what are the different cuisines that you are able to offer? Is there anything special that we can look forward in the property?
Absolutely. When it comes to food, we are very specific and we set very high standards. The food part is something which we are very specialized in. So we serve the food which is very healthy and diet oriented, and also the founder, Mr. Dayanand Reddy himself, is a passionate nutritionist, and we are very specialized in Andhra food and intercontinental and we are a multi-cuisine restaurant, fully functional in the resort. And as well as there is this special, it's a diet-oriented food what we offer. It's everything made of millet. We offer millet thali, which is very healthy, and as well as that has a therapeutic value as well. That is that is one of our specialties of our resort. We serve millet thali, so everything made of millet thali. So we serve around 16 to 17 dishes of millet altogether.
That's amazing.
That is something which would help a person in terms of to gain the nutritional balance, as well as it's a remedy for the diabetic patients.
Yeah. So it is great if someone who is very health conscious, if they visit. So we have options for them as well.
We have options for them.
That's nice. There was some interesting thing that I saw in the property. That was the garden area, like wherein there was greenhouse kind of plantations. That is it ongoing?
Of course, it's very much up and running.
Yeah. You can tell more about it. Like what is it?
This is being run as an EMP project. This is something which is organic and as well as chemical free. Under this project, we practice agricultural method called aquaponics.
Okay.
Aquaponics is literally a combination of hydroponics and pisciculture. So we grow plants in a soilless medium.
Okay.
We never use the soil.
Soil.
Plant. We use mineral deform.
So they get the nutrients from there.
Nutrients.
Right. Okay.
Plant derive the nutrients out of the water mineral deform.
Okay.
And we get and to get the nutrients how we generate mineral rich water is we take the help of fish. Literally use fish excreta.
Okay.
To obtain the mineral rich water. And literally when fish excretes, we let it ferment in the water over a certain period of time. Then the mineral rich excreta, which is rich in ammonia, break down into some hydrocarbons, nitrates. Same water, which is rich in nitrates, will be
extracted.
Circulated into we have specialized boards, aquaponic boards, where we transplant the saplings and the root extends into the mineral rich water, organic soup for it.
Okay.
That's how the plant grows. Usually no soil is used.
So all the vegetables that is being used in this facility is derived from there, or you're planning to do it in the near future?
Yeah, internally it is coming. So the production what we get, the harvest.
So right now harvesting is taking place from that method itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Also we're open for consultation, we're open for funding,
okay,
for association.
So how old is this project?
Project is this is around 7 to 8 years old.
Okay. Pretty well established.
Very well established.
Okay.
So we have clients as well who have undertaken construction from us. We literally undertake construction of these aquaponic farming. Undertake construction, and we have that expertise and subject matter knowledge to share. Those who are interested and those who want to set up these kind of farming setup.
Yeah. So what are the upcoming new things that anyone who sees this video or post this second wave of corona, what is that new visitors can look forward, or something that is exciting that you're taking?
A lot of facilities, such as we are planning to come up with spa services. That's an upcoming facility.
Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah, it's nice.
And also there will be gaming facilities for kids, live gaming facilities that will be set up soon on the
Okay. What is this live gaming?
Live gaming, like for kids, video games with so live gaming. Like we'll set up a games with they can simulate games.
Yeah. The virtual reality kind.
And also simulated games.
Okay.
Or where one can indulge himself in the game.
Yeah.
It's not only about the screen and you really indulging yourself.
It's about the whole experience of being into the game and then experiencing. Yeah.
That's
nice.
Facilities will be set. And apart from that, we are also planning to come up with a pet-friendly resort.
Pet-friendly resort, yeah.
So one can bring in their pet as for the day, or the cottage for accommodation can bring in their pet and pet can stay with them in the cottage. Okay. And also, we have to come up with pet spa services in the future. So, and also the pet activities, pet play area.
Okay.
So we are planning to
That's nice.
with that.
Okay.
So these are some of the major upcoming facilities.
Yeah. So yeah, this was all the information that I was surely not aware by whatever I was reading on the website or that was available online. So it was great talking to you. I got to know a lot of things, and yeah, I look forward to come to this property and explore more of it. If you have found this video helpful, do consider liking, sharing and subscribing. And also for more updates, follow me on Instagram. And also don't forget to leave your comments, suggestions, views, etc. in the comment section below. And until we meet next time, bye bye.